Hi guys, BMW is going to reveal the new BMW X5M facelift in the next couple of months, but based on the latest camouflage photos, we believe that it will look very similar to these renders. As you can see, the new performance SUV comes with a redesigned front end featuring a new grille with horizontal bars, narrower headlights with sharper LED daytime running lights graphics, and a new bumper with large intakes. As for the rear, the new BMW X5M will get new and redesigned taillights. Inside, we expect it to get a massive curved display comprising a 14.9-inch multimedia touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster powered by the latest BMW iDrive 8 software. In terms of powertrains, most probably it will keep the actual twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine, making 625 horsepower. It will send power to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox with the help of the M xDrive system and an active M differential. By using this configuration, the 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time will take just 3.8 seconds, while the top speed will be limited to 285 km/h. The prices of the new BMW X5M are expected to start from around 135,000 euros in Germany. Guys, if you like the new BMW performance SUV, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.